What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download videos on Rednote. Now what you want to do, I'm going to explain this to you because while I open a video it will be playing and you might not hear what I'm going to say, but all you have to do is once you open up a video or post or anything on Rednote, just simply press and hold, and you will notice that you have the options up here at the bottom that says save. You tap on save and you will be able to find that in your phone afterwards. So just watch and follow me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up this Beijing video here at the left hand side, yeah, in the middle. I'm going to open it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Beijing. I press and hold, you see the save. I tap on save and it's going to download. So just allow it to download. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to. And as you saw there real quick, it actually downloads, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to minimize the app and go to my pictures here, my gallery, and you can see my phone at the top there. I have the video, and that's basically it. So if you need to download any video or picture from Note, just basically open that post, press and hold, and you will see that you're able to find that on your phone. And that's basically it, guys. I've done multiple of them, and you can easily do that yourself.